Hi, I'm Troy, and today I will be informing you on the fire safety plan of Neotech Products. Neotech Products is a manufacturing company that designs medical products for premature babies and neonatal care. The company is in the industrial center of Valencia, California. The construction of the building is Type 2 with panelized roofing. The group classification is Group F, Factory and Industrial, which includes the occupancies of assembly and the manufacturing. Here we have a numerous amount of things. We have the riser, which is the pipe that supplies all the sprinkler heads with water at all times, because this is what you call a wet pipe system. The pipes in this system are filled with water at all times. When a head is activated, water immediately flows from it. Water is supplied to this system by a gravity tank, pressure tank, automatic fire pump, and water service system. If you look to the bottom right of the picture, you'll see the outside screw and yoke valve, or also known as the OS and Y valve switch, with the stem sticking out, is the valve which is in full open position. To shut the valve off, you twist that wheel till the stem is fully in. You have to remove the chain and deactivate the tamper switch behind the wheel so the alarm does not sound, alerting that the valve has been messed with. The red box highest on the pipe is the VSR water flow switch. The VSR is used as a sectional water flow detector on a large system. The switch is actuated when a flow of 10 gallons per minute occurs downstream. The VSR contains two single-pole double-through snap-action switches and an adjustable, instantly recycling pneumatic retard. As pressure gauges drop, the water will flow through the pipe, alerting this bell on the outside. Here we have the enunciated panel and the pull station. The enunciated panel will tell you what zone the fire is in, and you will be able to reset the sprinkler system after a fire. To the right is a pull station where you would pull the lever if a fire has occurred, which will sound these alarms. There are three main areas in the warehouse: the production area, the assembly room, and the offices. And every main area has an evacuation plan posted on the wall. The evacuation plan describes their fastest way to evacuate the building in case of a fire. Each area is supplied with an ABC fire extinguisher, which has to be marked, checked, and made aware to the employees where a fire extinguisher is using a sign by the fire marshal. The warehouse used to be an old factory, so there are still some high voltage machines hanging from the ceiling. This is the electrical panel to all the emergency shutoff switches to the high voltage machines. With every sprinkler system, you're supposed to have a certain amount of spare sprinkler heads. With this sprinkler system, we have two types of sprinkler heads. This one would be called pendants and an upright head. This is our designated fire lane where most likely a trunk company would park in case of a fire. This is our post indicator valve and second way to close the sprinkler system and shut off the water. It is in the open position, which you cannot see due to being painted over. But if to close it, you remove the lock and use it as a wrench to close the valve. Behind the post indicator valve is the FDC, the fire department connection, where the fire department can hook up a hose to keep water flowing through the sprinkler system. Here are numerous inspection, testing, and maintenance forms filled out by fire marshals to make sure we have the right equipment and have taken the correct safety precautions in case of a fire. There are 3 exits total, 2 in the warehouse and 1 in the office. Each of them are marked with an exit sign above them,
and have a safe exit discharge where they are no longer at risk to injuries in case of a fire.
That's it for me. I'm Troy Nye, reporting for Fire Tech 102. Thank you.